morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1.
Our imperfect foods order came in, so this is what we got in this box. We did customize it, but lots of delicious looking produce and different things, so they offer a lot of variety. But I will say we got a few little sad things. Some orphaned leaves from our lettuce, so I might be able to use one of them, but this one's feeling pretty, you know. And then this persimmon has this strange black mark. I think the rest of it is fine to eat, but it is kind of hard on the other parts and soft on this part. So I don't know, I might cut it up and cut this part off, obviously, and like maybe put it in the freezer for a smoothie. But you do get imperfect things, but you do also get like practically perfect things. And you save a lot of these things from going to landfill, so definitely highly recommend.